Aliw.
Buaya Gaming. Easy 2 points.
Free army.
Kuya Id nagdadrambola. Pass to Lakbayan Bricks. Lakbayan Bricks nagdra-drive. Pass to Peter. Peter nag-jump shot. Good for 2 points. Peter. Pass break to Lawrence. Rebound by Kuya Bricks. Kuya Bricks nagdra-drive. Nagpaagaw. Pass to Ben. Ben for 2. No good. Rebound by Peter. May tawag na foul. Ni-rip Jopay. Kuya Ed nagdadarambola. Nagpapagaw. Pass to Peter. Peter for 3. No good. Rebound by Malia. Meralies. Meralies pass to Naka-white. Naka-white nag 2. Good for 2 points. Naka-white. Kuya Ed nagdadarambola. Pass to Kuya Bet. Kuya Bet. Kuya Ed nagpapagaw. Pass to Kuya Bet. Kuya Bet to Peter. Peter Porto. May kasamang pang foul. Kuya Ed pass to Ben. Ben nag-fake. Ben Porto. No good. Rebound by Ben ulit. Ben nagpapagaw. Buaya Gaming ba? Buaya Gaming ba? No. Pasa kay Kuya Bricks. Kuya Bricks for 3. No good. Nakawala. Number 18 nagpapaagaw. Pass to number 16 to number 0.
Kawait.
Number 18 pass to number 0. Number 0 for 2. No good. Rebound by Peter. Peter to Ben. Ben single pero nakawala. Number 16 nagdadarambola. Number 16 nag 2. No. Pass to number 00. 00 no good. Kuya Bet pass to Peter. Lebre. Bang. 2 points by Peter. Number 18 pass to number 16. Number 16 nag 3. No good. Rebound by Kuya Ed. Kuya Ed dinadalawa. Dinadalawa. Pass to number 0. Number 0 na foul ni Kuya Bet. Sayang. May kopa na. Number 18 nagpapaagaw. Papaagaw. Bin nag-aagaw. Pass to number 00. No good outside. Kuya Bricks. Counted. May kasama pang foul by Lawrence Miralles. Free throw number 16 Miralles. Good for 1 point. Kuya Brex nagdadrambola. Kuya Brex pass to Kuya Ed. Kuya Ed nagpapaagaw. Pass to Ben. Ben nagpapaagaw. Pass to Kuya Bet. Kuya Bet libreng libre. Good for 2 points by Kuya Bet. Naagaw ni Kuya Brex. Kakawalaan. Peter Nagto. No good. Rebound by 0-0. Kuha ni number 16 for 2, good for 2 points by Lawrence Miralles. Kuya Ed nagdadrambola, naghahanap ng papasahan, papaagaw, pass to Kuya Brex. Kuya Brex nagpapaagaw, binigay kay Ben. Ben nagpapaagaw, no good. Wada Lawrence. Ben to Peter. Peter to Kuya Brex. Kuya Brex for 3. Good for 3 points by Kuya Brex. Number 18 nagpapaagaw. Pass to number 0 outside. Kuya Brex pass to Ben. Ben for 2. No good. May kasama pang foul. Kuya Ed pass to Ben. Ben to Kuya Brex. Kuya Brex for 3. No good. Pull up jump by Kuya Bet. Nakuha ulit ni Kuya Brex. Kuya Brex nagpapaagaw. Good, nagaw. Number 00 nag-layup. Wadang wada. Number 00 ng Bagtong. Kuya Ed nagdadarambola. Kuya Ed pass to Kuya Bet. Kuya Bet to Kuya Brex. Kuya Brex nagbibilang ng papasahan. Pass to Kuya Ed. Kuya Ed to Peter. Peter kinaliwa pa. Wala naman. Na-rebound ni Lawrence. Lawrence to number 0 outside.
Malambot, kipayo. Let's go. Pancho, katamsi. Pass na,
Kuya Ed pass to Peter. Peter to Kuya Bet. Kuya Bet. No good. Wadang wada sana. No good. Na-rebound ni number 0. Number 0 basket. Kuya Bet pass to Kuya Brex. Kuya Brex papaagaw. Kuya Brex pass to Peter. Peter to Kuya. No good. Kuya Ed nagpapaagaw. Nagpass sa Ben. Ben for 2. Good for 2 points. Naga naman yan mga Brobo Ayala. Number 18. Number 18 to number 0. Number 0 for 2. No good. Rebound by Peter. Peter to Ben. Ben libreng libre. Good for 2 points. Back to back 2. Number 16 Lawrence magpapaagaw. Pass to number 4. Number 4 for 3. No good. Rebound by Kuya Brex. Kuya Brex to Ben. Makakito. Ben for 2. Good again. Back to back 2 points. 18. Dadrambola nagpapaagaw. Nag-shoot 2 points. Number 18.
24, 18.
Kuya Brex. Nagbibili ng saan. Pass to Ben. Ben for 3. Good for 3 points by Ben Makahito. Back-to-back score by Ben Makahito. Number 18. Sumalaksak. No call by Rip. Last ball kay Ben. Ben to Kuya Ed. Kuya Ed. Last ball. No good. Kuya Ed to Ben to kalaban. Number 16 to number 18. Number 18 nagpapaagaw. Number 18. Number 4 no good. Kuya Breaks nagpapaagaw. Pass to Ben. Ben for 2. Game ball. Nice game. Winner Alog against Bagtong. Panalo sira Kuya Ed TV. Ha! Daogan ng referee.
Tong 50.
50.